The 2 Tyres Guide to the Dunlop Sportsmart TT. The Sportsmart TT might only be Dunlop's second stickiest road tyre, but it's as extreme as almost all the other manufacturers' most extreme road legal tyres. This is not a tyre for everyone and arguably not the best option if you only ride on the road. The D213 is more extreme than the TT, and the TT is more extreme than the Sportsmart Mark III. Dunlop are known for their racing prowess, and this is reflected in their range. So who should fit them? One of our reservations about this tyre on the road is the fact it needs to be brought up to temperature before you can exploit what it has to offer, and the fact it has a narrow operating window. Too cold and you'll struggle to build heat, leaving you with a tyre that's not confidence-inspiring. On a hot sunny day, this tyre would be perfection, but we think it is more suited to track days than Sunday morning rides. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tyre on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.